Joshua Holsey, born June 25, 1994, is an American football cornerback for the Washington Redskins of the National Football League (NFL). He played college football at Auburn and was drafted by the Redskins in the 7th round of the 2017 NFL Draft. Professional career. Holsey was drafted by the Washington Redskins in the 7th round, 235th overall, in the 2017 NFL Draft. Holsey did not participate in 2018 training camp and preseason games after suffering a non-football-related foot injury when a table landed on him. The Redskins placed him on their non-football injury list at the start of the 2018 season. He was activated off the NFL list on November 12, 2018, but was waived the following day and re-signed to the practice squad. References. External links. Auburn Tigers bio. Washington Redskins bio.